Cost accounting is strategy. It is part of strategy. Let's keep going. All right, what about this? Let me give you a real insight into, I told you I'm going to give you a cost examples. I've already given you one with the QQ, right? I've already given you another example with my supplier interviews, cost control. I'm going to give you one more example, standard costing. And you've heard me for long enough. We're going to finish soon. We're going to do one last exercise, but I want you to listen to this. Let's see if we can get this working. I'm not sure about the... Okay, I think we can get this working. I think it works. Yes, it does work. I'm pumped. Standard costing. You're about to see. No accounting, but this is what standard costing is. Put your hand up if you heard of what standard costing is, if you know. You don't know, you're going to know in 2 minutes. This is real. There's the plane. How many of you have flown in one of these before? Not this one, it's still on the factory floor. Kanban system. This is just in time. This is full technology the Japanese have perfected in the last 40 years. This is Boeing. Everything here are the systems they have in place to manage the costs, not just strategy. It'll be impossible for them to make a profit if they don't standardize, systemize, and know exactly where each plane is to the minute. Every 2 inches the plane moves. Every 5 feet per hour. So they know at any one time, are the planes behind or ahead of schedule? How do you know that? How can you know? Let's have a look. (6:30), 7 o'clock, 7:30, every 5 feet. If the plane's at 6:30 mark and it's 7:30, oh, we're behind. That's standard costing. Because there's a standard and you're comparing the actual with the standard. That's all what standard costing is. Let's not overcomplicate this. This is systemization. What is systemization? It's all about the routinization of everything. Everything the same way all the time, again and again and again. So you can do things faster, cheaper, everything. This is the management system. If there's a problem, they'll stop the production line. That's why they might get behind. They do assembly off the side and then that brings it in. Every customer has a different requirement for the plane. So the chairs that are going into this plane are different from the chairs that go into another plane. Maybe in terms of the colour. They're not always the same. These planes are customised, but they have standardised everything around that customisation. This is what you call execution of strategy to perfection. There's the PACER system. This is the system it's got a full picture where the planes are at any one time, where are the teams, where is everyone at. It's about management, everything. Okay, this is a control system. In the last third of this course, we're going to spend more time on control systems. Right? This is the system that actually influences behaviour. Remember, facilitating, influencing. You with me? All right? You need good influencing systems. So people do the same thing all the time, every time. So that plane moves ahead 2 inches every minute. Without these systems, the plane will be stopping and starting, stopping and starting. This is a way of keeping that movement going. Influencing. Influencing. And this is giving feedback. Feedback is so critical to influencing. That 2 inches per minute, that is standard costing. The plane needs to be here by 6:30. That's our standard. Does the plane get it? It doesn't make it. Oh, we're behind. That's called, in accounting and standard costing, and maybe it's over allocation, okay? Because we actually spend more costs than what we expected. You with me? Otherwise the plane would be up to 6:30. You with me? Something happened. We're behind schedule. You with me? Very rarely they get over schedule, right? They don't go faster. You can see what I mean. All right? Standard costing is about comparing a standard with actual. All right? Don't get caught up with, oh, I need to know the variances. I need to know the debits and credits. Not about that. It's about giving you feedback so you can make better decisions. All right? So at any one point in time, we know if we're behind, we know if we're ahead.